Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So to do that, we should first press the power key button on the right side of our phone and the volume up button on the left side of the phone. And now just with your two fingers at the same time we should press these two buttons. And then we'll see here the slide to power off. This power off slider, just we should hold and swipe this white power off dot to the right side. Just wait a second, and now we can see that the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.